Welcome to the next episode of the sorting functionality for the inventory. Today, we will implement ascending and descending sorting for items. Let us get started. Begin in the BPC inventory component. Add a new function named getSortAscending. Move this function to the sort category and mark it as pure. Add an input parameter named sortBy with the data type eSortItemsBy. Next, create a variable named lastSortBy with the data type eSortItemsBy. And move it to the sort category. Add another variable named currentSortAscending with the data type Boolean and move it to the sort category. Drag lastSortBy into the graph. Take the sortBy input pin of the function and add a not equal node. Connect the lastSortBy variable to the not equal node. Use the result of the not equal node to create a branch. Connect the execution pin of the function to the branch. Drag currentSortAscending into the graph and set its value in the true execution path of the branch. Repeat the same process for the false execution path of the branch. In the false execution path, drag currentSortAscending into the graph and use a not Boolean node. Connect the output of the not Boolean node to the set currentSortAscending node. Then, drag lastSortBy into the graph and connect it to the set lastSortBy node for both execution paths. Assign the sortBy input as the value for lastSortBy in the set lastSortBy node. Finally, drag the execution pin from the set lastSortBy node and add a return node. Drag currentSortAscending into the graph and connect it to the return node to automatically create a return value for the function. Compile and save your changes. Briefly explains how it works. The getSortAscending function determines whether the sorting order should toggle between ascending and descending or remain the same. It starts by comparing the current sortBy input with the previous sorting type stored in lastSortBy. If they are different, it assumes the user wants to switch to a new sorting criterion and keeps the sorting order as it is. If they are the same, it toggles the sorting order by flipping the value of currentSortAscending using a not Boolean node. After deciding the sorting order, the function updates lastSortBy to match the current sortBy input, ensuring that it keeps track of the most recent sorting type. Finally, the function outputs the updated currentSortAscending value, which tells whether the sorting should be ascending or descending. This logic ensures intuitive behavior, switching between ascending and descending when the same type is selected repeatedly, while resetting to ascending when a new type is chosen. Then move back to the event graph to continue the implementation. Drag the getSortAscending function into the graph and connect it to the ascending sort order pin of the sortItemsByAmount function. Ensure that the getSortAscending function is marked as private to keep it restricted to internal use. Take the sortBy reroute node from the sortItemsBy event and connect it to the sortBy input of the getSortAscending function. Adjust the nodes for better organization and clarity, ensuring the flow of logic is visually clean and easy to follow. Once everything is set up, compile and save your changes. Finally, press play to test the implementation in-game. We add items to our inventory and open it. In the drop-down, we select Amount to sort. Clicking the Sort Items button successfully toggles between ascending and descending sorting. Items like the pumpkin and hammer, each with a quantity of 1, correctly appear at the front in ascending order. Switching to weight sorting works perfectly as well, following the same toggle logic. This wraps up today's episode, where we successfully implemented ascending and descending sorting for the inventory. The system is now fully functional, allowing you to sort items seamlessly based on quantity or weight, toggling between ascending and descending order with ease. In the next episode, we will expand this functionality by introducing sorting options for name and type. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, consider leaving a like to show your support. Do not forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials and episodes. Your feedback and engagement mean a lot, so feel free to share your thoughts, requests, or questions in the comments. If you need help or want to connect with other learners, join our Discord community where we are always happy to assist and discuss ideas. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.